Just remember, if you look in the face of evil, evil's gonna look right back at you.
YouTube. Hey, man. Make sure y'all go shop, man. I'm gonna put the link, everything down in the description, man. You know what I'm saying? Go and get that. Go run it up, man. Go run it up. What's the name of it, man? What's the name of it?
Man, Cameo's damn, man. Go get shit.
Yeah, pull it up. Yo. Make sure y'all go and cop, man. Good quality, man. Good quality, man. And if one of y'all want me to shout out some of y'all stuff in my video, just cash out me. We'll go 15, and you will get a shout out.
Hit the website. We got a Black Friday.
Yes, sir.
Hit the website,
Yes, sir.
bro.
Let me get a zoom in on it. Zoom in.
See the link, gang.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Do that.
That link, Black Friday sale.
Do that. And man, we about to go on the POV, so let's do it. We already in drive. Let roll. Yeah. I ain't even gonna do much talking. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the video. Feel me? Cut them lights on, bro. The car lights. Yeah. We're gonna cruise it right here. Wait till we get in a little, get in town a little bit. I feel like we need to talk about like something both of us that experienced or that did that was like big for us. I don't know. What could we talk about? That we don't mind people knowing though.
I'm trying to think that ain't too crazy.
Yeah.
When I bought the
Oh yeah. We could talk about how it happened when you bought it and then you bring it. So go ahead, tell them.
type shit. I remember like all I did was I was shopping for it. You know what I'm saying? I know I wanted to charge. I wanted something. You know, by that time, so I was looking for cars for like 2-3 weeks.
Yo, in this whole time period, I didn't know shit. Like I didn't know nothing.
Shit, like, you feel me? I was like, all the time, I was like, my whole plan was I was gonna pull up on some crazy shit. Tell me to get it, we was gonna ride. That was some wild shit.
And this was January 2020. It was 23? It was 23?
Yeah, but it was like early, really in the year. So all I did was, I was looking for shit. When I found one, hit a dealership, filled out my paperwork and all that other shit. Then, got off the lot. You know what I'm saying? Took my pictures and all that other shit, drove straight back to the crib.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? I had to show my grandmama first, you know what I'm saying? Show my grandmother. So dukes and shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Put up at his crib.
Put it up on me like randomly,
like. Bro, I was like, yo, are you at the house? He's like, yeah. I was like, shit, I'm gonna pull up over there. He like, alright.
Yeah. And I'm gonna tell I'm gonna go ahead and like be honest with like in this time period right here, like I was going through a little something like. So when he came through, it was like, damn, like helped me mentally, just gave me like motivation and shit. Even if it wasn't his, it still was cool because it was like, you know what I'm saying, it's us doing it, you feel me? But you keep going.
Fucking, I pulled up, he was just like, he walked us, like, man, what you gonna do, man?
You done done, bro.
I was pulled up on some like, what's good, Nick?
Yo, going for a test drive.
I was like, bro, whole time this shit from a dealership. I got a little test drive going.
This nigga told me he drove this motherfucking shit, test drived it from Virginia. Did you say Virginia or something?
I said it was from Raleigh.
Yeah, Raleigh.
That shit was like an hour from
Yeah, I'm like, you got this straight from Raleigh and you
Test
drove
drive.
all the way down here.
Test drive from Raleigh, an hour and a half, nigga. But I was like, shit, you know what I'm saying? Then we going a little test drive together and shit, pulled up to this parking lot, we was shooting vids and shit up. I was like, yeah, bro. While we were doing a little walk around the car, while I was recording and shit, I'm like, shit, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
It's mine,
This shit, I was like them 38 tags right there, bro.
It's mine, bro. I'm like, damn, I
And
think
nigga like, what? Like, what you mean? I was like, yeah, this is my shit right there. That's
mine. This mine. I bought this.
Like, that's yours. Like, that's me.
Yo.
Man, just like that, man.
Yeah, man, that shit was
Life
crazy.
got different.
Yeah, life got real different.
Life got crazy.
Life got real different.
Man.
Got me on my grind for real.
Niggas got going way crazy.
I know it turned your life up. Got me on my grind. It did something for me. Motivation, like, you already know.
I started going to meets and shit.
Yo. Hey, shout out to the boy Leak, bro.
Oh yeah, Leak.
Yeah, shout out to boy Talik too. He did something similar. He did similar. He did something real similar.
I remember Leak was pulling, you know what I'm saying? I remember before Leak was still on the little,
he was in the
little Infinities,
you know what I'm
He
saying?
still wanted to be on the Infinity.
You know what I'm saying? We converted that boy.
He had to convert. Like,
We converted that boy.
Let him drive the whip one time. He like, shit, I'm gonna get that scat day.
It just took one drive, nigga.
Yeah, what?
One drive.
I need one. Got him one. He got that blue scat daddy.
That blue scat, what? Hell yeah, shout out to Leak, boy.
Yeah, you already know.
For sure. Yeah, the gang coming up. Like, we gonna eventually, like, if I get mine, we got Champ.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Champ.
Got Champ did it. Champ got the scat.
Champ
Everybody
scat,
getting charges, you know what I'm saying? But,
Yeah.
so I might have to go Charlie.
Hey man.
I had to go Charlie.
My next step is Wild Body Kizzy.
Yo, it's coming.
I need it.
It's coming. We gonna roll these windows down though. Roll these windows down though. I think. I'm gonna go this way first. Then we're gonna U-turn. Cause they got the it's gonna echo so loud, bro. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. We ain't gonna go too crazy though. We're just gonna hit it a little bit. We ain't gonna go too crazy. Yeah, I like that. They put me in manual. Yeah, quit.
I was about to do it.
Yeah.
I was about to do it. I'm talk. She gonna spin.
Help me see, bro. Help me look, though. Help me look. They shouldn't be too tripping, cause it's the hood.
I'm about to say they ain't down there. I said they ain't, but they ain't down there.
If you from where we from, you know where we at, though. Hey, all I gotta say, I ain't gonna say nothing about the Nah, I'm keep trill. Just know the boys wild. We've been over here. Hey. You know I'm a driver for real. I ain't gonna slide it bit though. Hey, that braid with one hand. Nah, I ain't Tino. I ain't Tino, goddamn. Tino is like me with one hand recording.
Yeah, what? In the rain with
Yo. It's lit, bro. I'm glad. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed the POV video. Shout out to my boy Mar. Hey man, he looking out for me, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. He got a channel coming on the way.
25 Keezy, man.
IG for sure.
Bro, you already know.
TikTok.
25K_Mar, bro.
Everything.
Bro.
And make sure y'all go on the website that we just showed y'all in the beginning. And he got his shirts up there too.
Man, you already know the
Feel
brand,
me? Feel me?
I know the brand, man.
Feel me?
I know the brand, man. Go get
Yes,
them
sir.
deals,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Black Friday joint
Yes,
too.
sir.
Got a little sale going. Go get some merch, man.
Tap in.
Type shit, you feel me?
Tap in.
You know what I'm saying?
And man, I love y'all, gang. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. We out.